Hi guys, so here is our first video, not the first video but the first video in which I am coming in. This is micro series video number 1. In this video let's see about how the present day water bottles looked in the past. How do the present day water bottles look? Slender, easy to hold, durable material, and are available in different quantity and quality, like in different shapes and all. Will you believe me if I say that the water bottles of the past were better than the present and had all these qualities in them? Let's see how. The water bottles of the past were mainly made from the calabash or the bottle gourd. The name itself says it, right? The name is named after the use of it. So what they do is that they leave the bottle gourd to grow fully in the plant, let it dry, and once it dries, the inner part of it becomes hollow automatically with all those dried seeds and all. They cut it open, clean the inner parts, put them out, wash it once and use it as water bottle. For the cap, they use either a cork or a slice of bamboo. So what will happen is that this is a very easily available water bottle from the past, and even these days there are rural areas which use it. So can we compare these both? So nowadays in the advertisements we see, right, they used to say the shape is made so that we can easily hold it. Can you see it in that thing? The shape is naturally in that kind, and the available sizes. In present days, we can only see 1/4 liter bottles, half a liter bottle, 1 liter bottle, 2 liters, 5 liter, and more than that it will become cans. But this thing is and was available in all kind of shapes and sizes. The shapes differed according to the type of bottle gourd. There were so many varieties, either it is long or broad kind of things, and each one had its own purpose. If you want to carry it around, 2 holes were made on its sides, and a rope or thread was tied with it, and it was either hang like this way or they had it in their hip. So it was very easy to carry for the travelers. For travelers it will be a small one, and for storage kind of things there are bottle gourds of this much of size. So another thing is that it has its own preserving capacity. Even nowadays the people who bring in toddy in the sense the palm wine, people who take palm wine from the pine trees, they used to collect it in this bottle gourd. Why? In the sense palm wine has the capacity to ferment so fast. It used to get too sour or kind of thing, it used to get spoiled within 2 hours. What they do is that they store it in these bottles, which automatically preserves it. Bottle gourd has the capacity of preserving the things which are put inside. It reduces the bacterial growth, and it compresses the growth of yeast in palm wine. Similarly, even when we store water in it, the antibacterial properties come up automatically, and it keeps the water safe. It is better, na? It is not available in present day plastic water bottles. And other thing is that it is biodegradable and eco-friendly. Yeah, the main point. And it is more durable than plastic water bottles. Nowadays the plastic water bottles which you get in shops, if you drop it down in the second day of purchase, it will start to leak or it will break. But these doesn't break so soon. Even if you drop it, due to its organic composition, it doesn't tend to break so easily. So it gives us better handling. So we saw a very small topic today, the basic things. We will see. That's what is micro series. We will be seeing in very small scale things, like how the present day small things looked in the past or something. So the next video will be the most asked question to me. Like, I have personally been asked this question so many times by so many people. How did the toilets and restrooms looked in the past? Interesting, right? Even you would have the doubt. And yeah, I have the content and I am ready with it. So the next video will be about it in the micro series, and share it with your friends. Share this channel as well as the videos that you like, and please subscribe. As a personal request, please subscribe so that I'll get more motivated to do more videos. Thank you.